That was a miss. Season's greetings, Earthlings. I just filmed a very, very long and drawn out product empties video, so my camera is dying, but I'm going to quickly do a TJ Maxx Marshalls haul with a special appearance from Sephora. So let's get started. First of all, I got this Christmas sweater from Marshalls. You used to call me on my elf phone. $15, not bad, right? A couple years late, but oh well. Let's start with what I got from a MAXX. Actually, I don't think anything is from Marshalls. I think it's all from TJ Maxx. I just went there yesterday. I've been really picky about what I've been buying from there because it's just the same stuff over and over again, and I'm tight on cash because of Christmas. But I found another Stila Glitter and Glow highlighter. I didn't read it, and I thought it was one of the eyeshadows. It's called Kitten, and I thought it was one of the original eyeshadows, but turns out that one's called Kitten Karma, and this is a face highlighter. It's pretty, though. I just don't know if I'll use it. I feel like the actual pigment in it is kind of dark, so I don't know how it would look on the cheeks. And it says on the box, not for use around immediate eye area. I kind of wonder if the eyeshadow, no, I can't imagine the eyeshadows would say that too. But this is still available on the Ulta website for $30, and I paid $7.99. Moving on to stuff that I am currently wearing, I found this by Buxom. They have like an influx of Buxom stuff, and I love Buxom, at least like their lip stuff, like the lip glosses I'm obsessed with. Those I feel like they last on me forever. My lips don't start to feel dry like anytime soon after I put them on. But this is in their Plumpline lip liner. This was only $2.99. I'm wearing it on my lips right now. It's in Femme Fatale. It's so pretty. Oh, it has like a little brush on the end, and then that's what it looks like. How much is this? I found it on the Ulta website. How much was it? $18. And I paid $2.99, and I really like it. I do. It feels comfortable. It's very pigmented, and it was really easy to use. So I found something that I've been wanting for a long time, ever since ShanXO did her Opal makeup video. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a metallic luster liner in liquid silver. I'm wearing it like under my eye right now, and I tried to put it on my waterline. I mean, my mascara kind of covered it up, and it did not stay on my waterline at all, but it's super creamy, and it felt really nice. It didn't burn my eyes either. I was just disappointed that it didn't stay on my waterline. I don't know how people do it. Like, I can never do anything with my waterline. But it goes on so smooth, and it's so metallic. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. This was $4.99. I couldn't find it on the Ulta website, but I'm pretty sure it was originally $20 because I did almost buy it once. I'm glad that I didn't because I found it at TJ Maxx, and it's so pretty, and I think it's really pretty for the holidays too. Speaking of the holidays, I found this by Lancome. I think it was like a holiday set from last year, but it comes in like a regular box inside the holiday insert. Not the holiday insert, but it's like the holiday outsert. I don't know, like the holiday packaging, and then like inside is the regular packaging. And I did find this on the Lancome website. It was the same color palette, so I think it's, I don't know, they just playing you with some holiday packaging, that's all. But this is a Glow For It highlight palette in Amethyst Radiance. All three of them had been swatched, but I got it anyway because it was really pretty. It comes with this like bright white shade that I actually have on my cheeks. It has like a pink like undertone though, if that makes any sense. Like if you can see around the packaging, like there's some pink there, then it has this more opal color and then this purple one, which I'm not sure how it's supposed to be used as a highlight. It's pretty dark. Maybe on the eyes, I don't know. But this was $39 on the website, I think. And I paid $25 for it at TJ Maxx. I think it's really pretty. I just don't see myself using this shade or even this shade because they're so dark. That's a pretty face. Okay, I found one more thing at TJ Maxx. I haven't used it yet. This is Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner in Saint. I paid $4.99 for this. I couldn't find the shade Saint anywhere. I haven't even swatched it or anything yet because I might give it as a Christmas gift, but I've heard that these are actually really good lip liners. This was $4.99 and I want to say full price or like 20 bucks, but like I said, I couldn't find the shade Saint anywhere. I don't know if it's limited edition or something, but I've heard really good things about these, so I haven't decided yet what I want to do with it. But $4.99 is a really good price for that. Now moving on to Sephora, I only have like 3 things, but I'm really excited about them because I've been using them like every day. First of all, the thing that I am craziest about, now the last time I went to Sephora, I actually planned on buying a new foundation, but then I saw this and got this instead. This is from Stila. This is Heaven's Dew All Over Glimmer in Silverlake, and I just think it is so pretty for the holidays. I've been using it every day on my eyes and on my cheekbones because, you know, Christmas. So if you can see it here on my cheekbone and on my eyelids, I don't know, I just think it's so pretty for the holidays. It's really like, I don't know, snow fairy like. The only problem is I keep tarnishing it. When I put my finger back in, I get like foundation and powder color in it, and it's gross, but it's so pretty, and the texture is so strange, but I love it. Look how pretty that is. It's primarily just kind of like a glitter top coat, but it feels so nice. And then 2 more things that I ordered from Sephora. I had been wanting these since they came out because, like I've said, I am like a huge fan of the Too Faced Peach collection. I got these. They were a half off for the Sephora Weekly Wow. I have the Bronzed Peach Melting Powder and the Peach My Cheeks Melting Powder Blush. They're each infused with peach and sweet fig cream, and they smell really good. Oh my goodness. But when they arrived, I ordered these online. They both completely had already fallen out, which I read online was like a very common thing. I am wearing the blush on my cheeks right now. It's very subtle. You have to like really build it up, but it's so pretty. I use it with a sponge, and I feel like I kind of have to like really dig in there and then dig in there and then dig in there. But it ends up, I feel like you can't even see it on my cheeks anymore. But I use it over my powder, and it works just fine. And then the bronzer is really pretty too. I don't know if you can even see it. Maybe I'll add some more, but again, oh, looks like this one decided to stick back in. I appreciate that. Thank you. They smell really good. I've just been using them with a sponge. And I'm going. This is how I saw Shan XO do it in her review, so that's how I'm doing it. Okay, so that is it for my little haul. I'm thinking about doing a makeup declutter before I move, so let me know if you want to see that. I already decluttered my closet and got rid of a bunch of clothes and shoes and handbags. So let me know if you want to see a makeup declutter because some of my stuff's really old. And especially the stuff that I've gotten from like TJ Maxx and Marshalls because, I mean, that's already old before you buy it. Also, I got my first Boxy Luxe box. Let me know if you want to see a video on that. Typically, my BoxyCharm videos don't do very well, so I kind of just haven't been doing them. And then I probably have a holiday knit box unboxing coming. Please subscribe if you haven't. I would appreciate that so much. It can be my Christmas present from you. And like this video. Have a good day. Bye.